I've been working out here today. Everything seems to be really improving from the rain. The cherry tomatoes, well, what can you say? There's just so many of them to pick. The pumpkin's just going crazy again. Up at the far end here, we've made a nice little area. It's a bit of a test area to see how many bales and how much we can actually grow in this area. Bob's put a trellis up there for my spaghetti squash. Underneath the cover is a row of carrots. And I also have radish. On the other side was my marigolds I was planting in the rain. And we also have tiger melon along the fence. At the back there's 4 bales now. 4 bales that are being conditioned, and at the front too. Getting them ready for my open day and my workshop. The no-dig garden's looking pretty good as well at the moment, with the melons, the pumpkins. And that area there is my no-dig garden, which will be used next year, which is basically recycling cardboard, egg cartons, grass clippings, and anything that can be composted. Certainly looks lovely and fresh after the rain.